In this video, I will share with you an exclusive affiliate strategy without using Clickbank. Why I am pointing to Clickbank? Clickbank is a great affiliate marketplace where you can find great products to promote. But if you ask anyone, he will say just go to Clickbank, select a product and promote it. Now the problem is everyone doing the same thing. You have to do something different to stand out. That's why I will tell you a brand new exclusive affiliate strategy without using Clickbank. If you are going to watch this video till the end, you can easily make $1,000 with just 1 or 2 sales. So I just simplify the whole process in 4 simple steps.
In the step 1, I will tell you how much dollars product you should promote. So don't miss it. And only watching the step 1 will not help you out. You have to watch the other 3 steps also to implement the whole strategy. So in the step 1, you need to pick a highly profitable niche, and after that you need to find high quality products that people are ready to buy. You don't need to worry about anything. In the upcoming videos I will tell you how you can find a profitable niche, also how can you find high quality high ticket products that you can promote. So this strategy is for high ticket product. So choose product whose value is above $1,000 or it can be above $500. Make sure choose product whose value above $500. So this is the step 1. Now in the step 2, I will tell you how you will collect emails to promote your product. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you that in the step 4, I will share with you an exclusive strategy to promote product. So if you miss the step 4, then knowing all the steps will not benefit you. So we will talk about step 2. In the step 2, you need to build a funnel to grab emails from the people. To collect emails from the people, you have to give them something for free. You can give them a lead magnet, which can be a free masterclass, an ebook or a training, anything which you want to give. So you give them a lead magnet to get their emails. So in the step 1, first you will select your niche, then a product that you can promote. After that, you build a funnel that will collect emails from the people. Now we will move to the step 3. Do not miss this step because in this step you will get to know free traffic sources. So after building funnel, you need to send traffic to your funnel. Here are some free traffic sources that you can choose to send traffic. You can choose any social media platform you want, be it YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Quora. You can choose any platform you want. Now, here is a tip for you. Choose only one traffic source when you just started out. Build some following. After that, you can diverse to the other traffic source. If you're going to start with 2 or more traffic source, you will going to mess it up. So always choose with one traffic source. Choose YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, but choose only one traffic source. Now, the most important part of this video. Step 4 is the most important step among all the steps. If you miss the step 4, all the 3 steps which you learned before will not work out. Because in the step 4, I will tell you an exclusive strategy that used by the top marketers. Yes. So in the step 4, you will build your hub, your home on the internet, just like top marketers Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, all the successful person built their own hub and community. They are not dependent on any social media platform because you cannot control your social media account. Your account can get banned anytime without any notice or without any reason. With the hub-based business model, you can create passive, consistent and multiple streams of income. Yes, you can create passive, consistent and multiple streams of income with your hub business. And my mentor made $4.5 million as an affiliate with hub-based business model in just 1 year.
See how powerful this hub-based business model is. It's definitely a game changer. In the upcoming videos, I will tell you how can you build your own hub in just few minutes. Now you know the brand new strategy for affiliate marketing, but you cannot start without choosing a profitable niche. In this video, I will tell you how to choose a profitable niche. So watch this video right now.